You can use DragonOne Medical Voice to Text to speed up your clinical documentation. For example, background, new line. The patient's been complaining of central abdominal pain for the past 3 days, full stop. Yesterday, they vomited twice, and since then the pain has migrated to the right iliac fossa, full stop. The pain is aggravated by moving and coughing, and eased by lying still, full stop. Alternatively, you can use DragonOne Medical to insert auto text. Insert lap appendix. 10. Next field. With hook and diathermy. Next field. 2. And finally, you can use DragonOne Medical to navigate around the record using step-by-step commands you have programmed in. Add procedure. Takes me to the procedure section so that I can add a new procedure. If you would like a license for DragonOne Medical, please request this from IT using Fresh Service.